Hi everyone, welcome back to PDQPD. Today's video is going to be kind of short, but it is sort of important with state testing coming up. And I'm just going to review with you how to do two things. The first one is to clear your cache and cookies, your browsing data and such from your device. And the second is how to update your Google Chrome. And both of those are important to make sure that you've got your device all cleaned up and ready for testing. And teachers, feel free, since this is YouTube, you can share the link with your students for them to watch it and see how to do this on their own. So you are looking at my screen right now, and I'm going to jump up here into the upper right, into the Chrome settings. This is the three vertical dots, or I like to call it the snowman. And if you'll click on that, you have a lot of settings here. We're going to start with clearing the cache and cookies. To do that, we are going to go down to More Tools, and then you scroll down to where it says Clear Browsing Data. Now, I should probably say at this point, there's more than one way to get to these tools. This is just the way that I'm going to show you. It's the way I prefer to do it. So I'm going to go to Clear Browsing Data. And when I bring that up, you can see it opens up right to this particular tab that I need. When I look at this, I have options to clear browsing history, download history, cookies, cached images, and such. You can see also that the presets are checked for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the two that we want to clear. We do this because it takes out all of the old data that's in there, and it will replace it the next time you sign in with all the new data, which is current. So I'm going to go down here once those two boxes are checked and click Clear Data. Now, it takes a little while to do that, but once it finishes up, the screen goes away and your cache and cookies are cleared. So that's the first part. That is clearing your cache and cookies. The second is we want to make sure that we are on the latest version of Chrome that your device can update to. It's going to be different for student devices because student devices can only be updated to a certain point because that is the requirements for the state testing apps that are being used. So it won't be the same as what you're going to see on my screen. But the way to do that is from this same window. Now that you're here in settings, if you go over here to About Chrome, and automatically in this case it will check. You probably saw real quickly there it said Update Chrome, and it checked it, and it saw that I'm on version 89.0 point whatever, and it is up to date. So I know that I'm up to date. If yours isn't up to date, there may be a button there that says Update. You click that, and that will update your Chrome browser to the latest version that your device can load. And after doing those two things, you will be all set for testing. Please make sure to do this a day or so before testing. Not too much before, but a day or so before. And also make sure your device is charged before you go into testing so you can have the best experience possible. Hope this is helpful to you. And as always, have a great day.